مرحبا. How to read the Arabic letters. كيف نقرأ الحروف العربية. How do we read it? In Arabic, we have 28 Arabic letters. I always put this arrow, it means start from the right because Arabic is from the right. These are the 28 Arabic letters. We have the other form of the letter. I explained this in the other video, how to write Arabic words. So now we are going to read the letters. Very important to know that the best way to read the letter in order to be able to read words is to say it as a sound. Just the sound. We don't say the letter name because every letter in Arabic has a name. But the better way to say it is the sound, how we pronounce it. So let me read the letters with you. A, A, B, B, T, T, Th, Th, J, J, H, 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 D, D, ذ, ذ, ر, ر, ز, ز, س, س, ش, ش, ص, ص, ض, ض, ط, ط, ظ, ظ, ع, ع, غ, غ, ف, ف, ق, ق, ك, ك, ل, ل, م, م, ن, ن, ح, ح, و, و, ي, ي. Now I created this for you. It shows you the letter in Arabic and how to pronounce it in English. So if you see here, a, ba, ta, th, th, as the word three, th, j, h, kh, d, th, r, z, s, sh, ص, ض, ط, ظ, ع, غ, ف, ق, ك, ل, م, ن, ح, like the word he, ح, و, ي. Underline letters are strong, deep sounds. What do I mean by that? For example, I have this letter S, S, and I have also another letter with the sound S, but there is underline. What it means? It means it's a strong one. So this one is S, 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 And this one is so, so, so. Se, se, se. So, so, so. Another letter we have here, d, d, d. And this one is do, do, do. Another one we have here, t, t, t. To, to, to. I hope this one was useful for you. شكرا ومع السلامة.